In this episode, we do wax on, wax off. The ducks are back.
Fucking hand.
The haters were out full force at Cars and Coffee.
Yeah, right as I opened the door, shit on it. So I was like, for sakes, really?
Houston, we have a problem.
Okay, you can't go to fifth.
I can do two things at once. Getting ready.
Clay bar done. That was clean too.
Wax time.
Fucking hand.
Are you sure you're gonna be able to shift this and drive this?
We're about to find out. For the viewers, it's been a few weeks since I had it out. The weather didn't cooperate once we finished. Then this happened. So it's about a month and a half since the last video, I think, and I'm just getting to it. So the test is going to be one, if I could shift, which I think I can. Problem is, we're making sure the shifter's working and the hand's working. This could be interesting. We're off to Cars and Coffee. True test, I think it'll be fine. It's kind of chilly this morning. It's like, I don't know, 18 degrees, 16 degrees out. It's supposed to get warmer today, and that's when we'll find out just how this thing does once these cables get all heated up. So let's go to the show. True test is we'll see how we do when we get back. Oh, got it first.
So the show went well. It's a small Cars and Coffee show up, but which is fine. It's kind of what I was looking for, just the first show of the year. I didn't shoot anything, take any pictures of it. This is drone footage that you're going to find out about later on. I'll talk about it. And the reason is, during this, something happened with the car. It popped out of reverse. I didn't really think much of it because I just thought, just one of those things, you know, I just didn't quite get it into gear. But later when I was leaving after shooting the drone footage, I discovered that there is a problem after it had a good heat soak, because the day of shooting this, it was really hot. So it worked. I kind of discovered what happened here. But anyways, this is why you see different cuts coming up, and it'll all make sense for you now.
Well, left the show, so far so good. We'll see how we do. We'll drive her home and see if we can find all the gears on the way home. It's about 27 degrees out now, so it's getting hot. It's had a heat soak. The AC's working. So far so good. Knock on wood.
I don't know if anybody can see you wave at them. spot. Considering you just got your shit on by the bird too.
Yeah, right as I opened the door, shit on. Luckily they left some wet wipes down there. So I was like, for sakes, really?
Good thing you had your glasses on. Been in your eye.
She did good. Got 5th and reversed the show. So I think they're in a good spot. I'll try it another hotter day and see if things are still the same. The air conditioning works good. No complaints. No complaints. Well, it's another day. We need B-roll. The day I came back from the show, I had no time to do it. The last shots that I had, I noticed I couldn't get in the frame all down here for the shifter, so couldn't get that. Stuck a camera on the car, so see what that gets. And I got the drone. So if you get drone footage, I was successful flying the drone. A little dicey with that one. Shifting with the gate. It's a little different, and those clunks aren't going into the gate. As it finds the gear, it pulls it and knocks the gate, makes that clunk. But it is a hotter day today, so, and I've been driving around letting things get hot, so might be a sign. Nope, it's not going. I think it's where that cable's got warm, and now it's not quite making it all the way in. Needs a little more. Good. Now I get to put her away. Well, not everything's good. A special shout out to my buddy Roy for helping me out with the music and letting me play with his toys. Thanks all. See ya.